What up YouTube, this is your president, the presidential tourist, back in our food review taste test video. I picked these up at the Dollar Tree. This is done by a company called, is it Goetze? G-O-E-T-Z-E-S. I guess they're established in 1895. These are some caramel creams with Oreo. I thought it looked different. You know what, I'm going to get them and try them. Now, at one time this would have been $1. But because, wait a second, don't be a stinker, Lucky. But because there now everything's $1.25 for the most part, which, you know, still is not too bad. Ooh, that does smell like Oreos, and they come in this individual thing. They smell like Oreos. They don't look like Oreos. I bet you they're going to taste like Oreos. Let's see. Well, you have this cream in the middle. That definitely tastes like the Oreo part. The outer stuff, it's kind of chocolatey. It actually reminds me more, not just of texture, but of taste from, oh shoot, what's the other candy? Tootsie Rolls. Except this is more softer than a Tootsie Roll. But it tastes kind of like the Tootsie Roll part. It's good. It does kind of remind me of Oreos, even though not quite the same taste. It's definitely different. I haven't had soft candies like that in forever. And I'm happy I tried them. You get a good amount for $1.25, you know. So it's not a lot. But I like them. I definitely do recommend them. Something different, and give it a chance. You might like it too. Like I said, I picked it up at a Dollar Tree. Can't guarantee your Dollar Tree might have them. No, they might not. So you might have to look around. It's not every store has all the same stuff. Anyways, if you have any comments, questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.